In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send clients a summary of appointments for today in GoHighLevel. Whether you're managing a busy office or just keeping things streamlined, this method will help you ensure that your clients are well informed and on time, every time. To get started, you'll want to navigate to the Workflows section in GoHighLevel. So, first things first, head over to Automation and then select Workflows. Once there, you'll see an option to create a new workflow. Click on the +Create Workflow button to initiate a brand new process tailored to your needs. The next step is creating a scheduled trigger for your workflow. You'll see two options, appointment and recurring timer. Either can be used depending on preference. However, the recurring timer is commonly used for daily summaries. If you choose this route, be sure to set the time appropriately for when you want the summaries to be sent out. For instance, if you prefer your clients receiving this information first thing in the morning, setting it for 8 a.m. in the proper time zone is a solid choice. Now you'll want to filter today's appointments. Adding filters helps you capture the details specific to the day. You'll need to adjust your filters to ensure that the appointment date is set to today, and that your filter also includes appointments with the status marked as confirmed. This way, only relevant and finalized appointments make it through to your summary. The next component of the workflow is sending out the email summary to your clients. To do this, click on + action, and then select Send Email. You'll draft the message using variables to personalize it. A basic template might start with Hi, contact, first name. Then proceed by embedding details such as, here's a reminder of your appointment scheduled for today, followed by more specifics like the appointment time, location, and who the appointment is assigned to. This simple template ensures clarity and encourages your clients to arrive a few minutes early or to join via a provided meeting link. Wrap it up by expressing anticipation for the coming discussion. If you prefer a more dynamic approach, you can add another layer of communication by sending an SMS summary. This is completely optional, but could serve as an effective reminder. To add this element, click on + action and select Send SMS. Keep the message short and to the point, something like, Reminder, you have an appointment today at appointment start time. Add information about the location to ensure your client knows exactly where to go. And there you have it, a thoroughly organized system to let your clients know about their appointments in an efficient and timely manner. With these steps, you're not just streamlining your operations, but also enhancing client satisfaction. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps you make the most out of GoHighLevel's workflow capabilities.